Today I am going to discuss about Term 2 Chapter 1 Decimals. You will come to know about decimals in the chapter and how to write, how to name decimals. All these things you can learn in this video. So decimals actually are what? So what happened is that when we see this rectangle, when you divide that rectangle into 10 equal parts, so each part is known as tenth. This is tenth, this is another tenth, this is another tenth, this is another tenth, this is another tenth. So these all are tenths. So this one part can be, if you write in fraction, it is 1 by 10. So when the denominator is 10, 100, 1000, those type of fractions are known as decimal fraction. And we can convert this fraction 1 by 10 into decimal which have point in the how to write it. I will show you. So as if you see this one, so how many part is colored? It is 4. So which 4 parts out of 10 are colored, and this can be written, or the naming of it, if you write in words, it is 4 tenths, right? 4 tenths. So which can be written as 4 by 10. So similarly for how many parts is not colored, if you see, it is 6 tenths. So which can be written as 6 by 10. So these 1 by 10, 4 by 10, 6 by 10 are decimal fraction, and we can convert these into decimal numbers. Now we will discuss mostly about tenths, which you have already known. So when 2 by 10 you write in decimal form, it will be 0.2. So in this 0.2, 0 is the whole part, point is the decimal point, and 2 is the decimal part. So this one you will come to know about it. So if you write this 0.2, so we used to read this one as 0.2. So this is the example of tenths. So there, if we see for this mixed number 2 4 by 10, so this 2 4 by 10, if we write in decimal form, so this is a decimal fraction, so if you write in the decimal form, it will be 2.4. so this 2.4 is read as 2.4. so this point you have seen is the decimal point. So these numbers 2.4, 0.2 are known as decimals, or you can call it as decimal numbers. Now for example, again I am talking about that. So what happened is that in 2 4 by 10, so 2 whole is there. This is 1 whole plus this another whole, plus how many part is shaded? It is 4 by 10. So 1 plus 1 plus 4 by 10 is equal to 2 4 by 10. So this 2 4 by 10, when you write in decimal form, it will be 2.4. So this is the diagrammatic explanation of why is it so it 2 4 by 10. So these are known as decimals. So what are the parts actually mean? So as you have seen the parts, so actually decimal number have 2 parts. One part is the whole part, and another part is the decimal part. So as you can see 3.6, if you see, the 3 is the whole number part, and the point, this one decimal point, and this 6 is in the decimal part, is the decimal part. So 0.7, if we see in case of 0.7, there is no whole number part. The whole number in here in 0.7 is 0. So 7 is the decimal part. So how to write it, as you have known how to write. So it is 0.7 is equal to 7 by 10. So if we represent that in a place value chart, you see in case of 3.6, 3 is in the ones place, and after point whatever number is to be there, in case of decimal system, 6 is in the 10th place. It is in the 10th place, as this is 6, so it is 6 tenths. So this is 0 point, if it will be what, if we separate 3 plus 0.6 it will be, so 0.6 is equal to 6 by 10. So like that. So the place value of a digit in the tens column is 1/10 of the place value of a digit in the ones columns. Understood? This place value is 1/10 of the place value of the digit. Fine. So if we represent the place value chart, you can see 3.6 is given. 3 is in ones place, and after point it will start with tenth, then hundred, like it will go like that, thousand. So the one thing you should always know, so before point, if you see the numbers if we go to left side, it increases by 10, but in case of after point, in case of decimal system, after point it decreases 10 times. So this is 1 by 10th part of this, so 6 by 10, that means. So as you can see 3.6, so 3 is ones place and 0.6 is in tens place. So similarly 0.7, it is 0.7. So in case of 12, you see this is in 2 is in ones place, this 2 is in ones place and 1 is in tens place. After point, if you see, the 5 is in tens place. So this is tens, ones, as you can see, tens, ones and tens. So this much for today. In the next class I will be doing the question answers of this, and this is the thing that you should always remember. So this will help you to solve the questions of decimals. So with this, thank you for watching.